Lesson 4, representing personal budgets. So first off, this lesson's no different than circle graphs in our graphing unit. So I'll just do a quick review and then I'll let you graph it yourself. So first thing that we have to do is find the total. So we're going to add up all those expenses. Actually, just kidding. We don't need to do that at all. It tells us how much our income is right there. Okay, so our income is $2,400. So to figure out the percentage, we're going to take that number, divide it by 2,400, and then we'll leave it as a decimal. So you should get 0.32. Wow. To change it to degrees, we're going to take that 0.32 and times it by 360, and you should get 115. So I want you to pause the video and I want you to fill in the rest of this chart following that same process. So you should have got 0.06 for your utilities, making it 22 degrees. Then you should have gotten 0.17, making it 61 degrees. Then you should get 0.07, which is 25 degrees. Then you should have gotten 0.08 for 8%, making it 29 degrees. Then you should have gotten another 8%. Oh, yes, because it's the same exact amount. Smart. Which is 29. Then you should have gotten another 8%. It's pretty close, but it rounded and to make it 29. And then you should have gotten 14%, so 0.14, and that's 50 degrees. Okay, using your protractor, I'm not going to bring it up, but you're going to use the center line here and you're going to line your protractor up and you're going to measure out the first one to be 115 degrees. That's your biggest portion. It should go to about here. From there, you will use this as your new line. So I want you to pause the video and I want you to draw this in. You can also label them. So rent, 32%. When you get to the smaller sections, you don't have to actually label them on there. You can label them on the outside if necessary. So pause it. I'm going to draw it in based on my drawing. So it should look something like this. You probably have a little bit more room on your circle to draw this than I did, but I just drew lines going to it. If you want to color them and color code them, that also works really good too. If you need more instructions on how to do a circle graph because you just don't remember, you can go back and watch the video from lesson 4, or unit 4, lesson 4, and that will go through it a little bit more, or just bring it right back to me and I will show you how to use that protractor and we can draw this together. Thank you for listening to this lesson. Bye!